This is our review exercise and we will discuss few questions here. This is called the multiple choice question. I will write down only the questions for you, then I will show you how to solve it. I'm not going to write down the four choices. So the first question is you have to tell the order of this matrix, right? What is, or you can say what is the dimensions of this matrix or order of this matrix. I have told you always you have to consider the rows first. So there is only one row and there are two columns 1 by 2. So in your multiple choice questions A, B, C, D, you have to find out 1 by 2. So I believe it is B. In your book, it is B is your answer, right? Second question is what this matrix is called. This is square under root 2, 0, and here under root 2, right? First is whether it is a zero matrix. No, it is not a zero matrix because these two are the under root 2, and these are 0. This is not the 0. This is your unit matrix. No, you should know, right, that unit or identity matrix represents like this 1 0 0 1. This is not the unit matrix or identity matrix. This is a singular matrix. Singular means you have to multiply these two minus these two. It should be 0. So see, when we will multiply this and this, we will not get 0. It is not the singular matrix. The last one is the scalar matrix. Yes, this is the scalar matrix. And the answer is A. Why it is the scalar matrix? In a scalar matrix, these two diagonal entries should be non-zero, right? You should make your concept clear. So first is dimension. Whatever is the dimension, you have to see first rows and then column, then you can find out the answer. First, always solve the question, then find out in your multiple choice A, B, C, D, whatever, right? So third is which is the order of a square matrix. Square matrix means number of rows is equal to number of columns. So see, this is 2 by 2. This is the square matrix. If suppose we have 3 by 3, it is the square matrix. Number of rows should be equal to number of rows. So your answer is A in your book, right? And this is, sorry, this is scalar is on the C. This is not E if you will see your book. Fourth is order of transpose, right? So this 2, 1, 0, 1 and 3, 2. The question is order of transpose, right? So it is in your B. The answer is B. This is 2 columns and 3 rows. So this is the transpose order. And the fifth is, I will solve it here, adjoint. Adjoint of 1, 2 and 0, and this is -1 and this is 1. 1, 2, 0, -1. This is positive, right? So how you will find out adjoint? Very easy, right? What you have to do in adjoint, there are 4 choices A, B, C, D, but first you have to solve, then you can match your answer. So what is the rule for adjoint? These two, you have to switch the position of these two. So it will be -1 will come up here, 1 will go there. And for these two, you have to change the sign. It will be -2 and it is 0. This is the adjoint. How these two, for the diagonal entries, you have to change the position. This -1 will come up here, 1 will go there. For these two, you have to change the sign. Then you will find out when you have to see A, B, C, D, your choices, and this choice is A. Your answer is A, B, D, A, B, C, D. So this is A, right? Seventh. Now is the seventh. It says in seventh, 2, 6, 3 and x is equal to, this is equal to 0. You have to find out the value of x, this 2x. So see how you will find out. Just multiply these two, 2x, right, and then this one. So multi minus 18, or maybe if I will do direct, so it is equal to 6 3 times 18. We want the value of x, right? We do not want anything with x. So what is the relation between 2 and x? They are multiplying each other, and the opposite of multiplication is division. So you have to do division here by 2. Same thing, whatever we do on the left hand side, same thing we have to do on the right hand side, divided by 2. This 2 will cancel out each other. X is equal to 2 1 time, 2 9 times, so this is 9, and it is A is your answer in your multiple choice question. If you will see 9 12 whatever, so A is the answer. So simple. You have to find out the value of x. And the last is x plus, this is important, x plus minus 1 minus 2 0 and minus 1 equal to 1001. You have to find out the value of x, this one, right? See, same thing. Here you have to find out value of x, but here you have to find out the value of x. Sorry, here is x and this is capital X, no problem. But here is positive x plus this. When it will go, this matrix will go to the other side, it will be negative. But here the relationship was multiplication, so we did division here. So x is equal to identity matrix, and then negative, it will be minus minus 2 0, and we have learned how to subtract the two matrices. Just subtract it, x, right, minus this minus, and this one is also there, corresponding entries, and then with 0 minus and minus 2, 0 minus 0 1 minus, so it will be 1 plus 1 2, this is 2, this is 0, this is 2. So x is equal to 2202. When you will match this with your multiple choice options A, B, C, D, so it is D, right? So here you have learned few concepts which we have already discussed, right? But still, if you have any question, please write down in comment section, and thanks for watching.